Hi friends, this video shows how to remove the battery of Google TV Streamer 4K remote controller. See, this is a remote controller of Google TV Streamer 4K. Let me open this battery cover. So we can press here, then pull down. This way we can open the battery cover. So let me remove these batteries. These are AAA batteries. See, this way we can remove batteries. Then if you want to insert new batteries, you can insert like this. Okay, done. Then let me close the cover. Done. See, this way we can remove batteries and replace. You can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.